Here I have LG V30 and let me show you how to set up this device, or let me show you how to activate this LG smartphone. At the very beginning, of course, let's start by using your welcome panel. Here you can choose your desired language. So this is the full list of available languages that you can use on this device. In my case, let me choose English, for instance, from United States. You may also choose accessibility and make some changes with accessibility settings. You may also choose emergency and make some emergency call. Let's go next. Here you can insert the SIM card, but you can also activate your device without the SIM card, so let me do it that way. Let's tap skip for now. Here you can set the internet access. You can use the mobile network if you have your SIM card inserted, or you can use the Wi-Fi. It's not necessary, but I usually recommend having an internet connection. It enables some interesting features. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi. The device is obtaining the IP address. Now you can go next. Here you can decide that you would like to copy some data from the iPhone or Android device, or you can set up device as a new. So let me have a fresh start. Let me set up as a new. The device is looking for available update. And here you can connect your device with your Google account. It's not necessary, you can bypass this step by choosing skip, but the Google account enables some interesting features. So in my case, let me connect my device to my Google account. You can do it in two ways. You can create a new account by using that blue link, or you can use the existing Google account. So let me input my email. Let's go next. Now it's time to enter the password. So let me do it. So now when you enter the password, let's choose next. If everything is alright, let's accept terms of services and privacy policy. Let's tap I agree. The device is checking info and getting account information. Here you've got some date and time settings, so you can change it, and if everything is alright, let's choose next right here. You can set some fingerprint protection, or you can do it later in settings. So for now, let me choose no thanks and let's go next. Let's choose skip anyway. Here you've got Google services features that you can enable or disable. For example, you can back up to Google Drive automatically. You can help apps find your location. You may also improve location accuracy and, for example, send system data to help improve your Android experience and other stuff as well. Let's tap agree in my case to all of them. You can check the Google Assistant tutorial, but in my case, let me choose skip. The device is adding the finishing touches. Here we've got some legal documents that you have to agree with, so let me agree to the first one only, and let's tap next. That's it. As you can see, the home screen just pops up, so now you may use your device. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.